Good morning from Hildesheim, Germany. Didn't get as far south as we wanted yesterday. I'll overlay a map here. Plan was to get to Göttingen, but that was another hour south. And when we got to 9 p.m. yesterday, we were just so tired and worn out after 15-16 hours on the road. So we found a hotel here and had a beer from the vending machine and went to bed, took a shower and went to bed. It was really hot yesterday. It was more than 30 degrees. And as I said, the AC in Simon's car doesn't work. So it's been a warm one. It's probably going to be just as warm today. It's currently 6:30 a.m. The plan is to be on the road by 7. Mihai needs a charge. We need some breakfast. They charge 20 euros per person for breakfast at this hotel. So we figured we might as well get something at the gas station while Mihai charges his car. And then is on to Frankfurt to meet UK Steve and Canada Steve. Andre from Romania and I think Eva from Norway is also coming there. And then we're going to drive together down to Pforzheim and meet up with everyone else and have fun in the Black Forest this weekend. Welcome to day 2 of the TEHRS Meetup 2026. So we're in Frankfurt now and we've picked up Steve, which is back here. We met the Canadians and some of the Norwegians, and right now we're on our way to a Tesla supercharge site for the EV owners to charge and hopefully to get something to eat, and then we'll see what the day brings ahead. I don't know if you can see this on camera, but it's getting a little bit warm out there, 37 degrees, and I don't think we've reached the peak yet. And the AC is broken on the car still. So we're on the sightseeing trip now, trying to find out where the people are. We're in the scenic parts of Germany. We're not really sure where we are, around Frankfurt somewhere. We have the Canadians back here. We have the Brits, one of the Romanians, and the Norwegian and Swedes over there. Ja.
Oh.
Kör dere?
Ja.
Ja, hotellet?
Ja.
Ja, da vi kommer etter ganske snart.
Ja. Du får bare legge dere på litt tett innpå. Kan du åpne soltaket så kanskje få litt
Right. Look at him bragging about his air conditioning.
Oh yeah, no, that was awesome.
That's really cool.
Simon, are we there yet?
5 minutes. Oh, by the way, I'm going to the Hammer Meetup in Pforzheim, Schwarzwald.
Yeah, we'll get that into the clip as well. Jürgen with his bright shirt. Hey.
Hey everybody.
Hey, good to see you.
Good to see you. Hi. Hi.
Hello.
Hi. How are you doing?
So how do you know my card number?
Your card.
So, if you ask no cat, pretty bad.
Do you have a look for your name?
Yeah, it's Viken, W. And I'm also the agent responsible for the group, so here's my card if there should be any issues.
What's the name?
W. Viken. Should be... Yeah, if this is the list I sent, it should be on... it's the first name there.
First name. Okay.
Yep.
Could you have a sign here, please?
I can sign there. If you have anything, I can sign other. Yeah, thank you.
The first one, yeah?
Yeah, first one. And here's my card. I'm the agent responsible for the group, so if there's any issues with any of the attendees, please contact me. So we're going to our first POTA activation on this trip. The Canadians are driving in front here. Steve's on my side, Steve's driving, and Brent's here. Jürgen's in front of us, and we're going to Wildpark Pforzheim, I think, which is not the park we're going to activate because you have to pay to play there, but the parking lot is within the Black Forest Park.
Roger, it's Delta Hotel.
Kusel, you are 5'9", here in the park.
Yeah, Roger, 59 plus here, thank you, 70.
70, and thank you for the QSO, and have a great evening in the park.
QSL.
Victor, station coming in,
Station,
please.
come again. The Echo Charlie Golf station. Echo Charlie Golf, come again, please. The Echo Charlie Golf station, please come again. Okay, I have a lot of noise on you. Please try once more. I got Echo Charlie Golf, but I need your prefix and your number, please. Sierra Yankee 2, Echo Charlie Golf. Sorry about that, Simos. You're about a 4x5 into Germany. Over.
Thank you for the QSO, you are 5556, very strong this moment.
Thank you very much, and thank you for the QSO. Have a great day, 73s. Is this frequency in use? Is this frequency in use? Were you activating on the frequency right now? No. Okay, this is Delta Lima stroke Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. Delta Lima stroke Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. Parks in the air. Any calls anywhere?
Delta Lima / Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. This is Delta Lima / Lima Bravo 8 Victor Alpha Portable. You are 5 and 9.
Delta Lima stroke Lima Bravo 8 Victor Alpha. Thank you. You're also 5 and 9 plus a little bit on this side, Ivar. Over.
For that, Martin. Yeah, you are very strong from my two parks. 73.
73. This is Delta Lima stroke Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. Parks in the air. Yeah, go ahead.
Delta Lima Yankee Oscar 3 Golf November United.
Delta Lima stroke Yankee Oscar 3 Golf November United. 5 and 9, Andre. Stronger than usual today. Over.
Roger, I think it's the propagation probably.
Yeah, excellent propagation here today. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone. Okay, stand by. I have a second call sign for you. Delta Lima / Alpha Hotel 6 Uniform November. Same park, same report. And the park is activated.
Hey. All the way from Canada to Germany for the TEHRS meetup.
All the way from Halifax, Nova Scotia.
Yeah, it's the first time we've had anyone outside Europe on the meetup, but this is great. How was the journey here, Steve?
We had a few hiccups on the way over, missed a flight and so on, but we managed to get here. My first time in Europe, my first time in Germany, so it's so far been a blast.
Excellent, and you managed to activate the park, didn't you?
We're working on it, yeah.
Excellent, and then we'll have some beer and some dinner later on.
We'll cool off for sure, try to rehydrate.
Excellent, really great having you here, Steve.
Just wonderful.
Thank you.
Snuff it from
Could you just repeat that, Tobias?
I just said it would be really funny if the lightning hit this shelter and the whole lamp show is wiped out in a freak accident.
Yeah. I'm guessing that would help with our viewer numbers, but it wouldn't necessarily help with our income because we wouldn't really see any of it.
We can't enjoy it.
For the people on the live stream, maybe everyone can say his name and his call sign.
Yep.
Let's start with Tobias.
Hi, Tobias, Delta Lima 3, Mike Hotel Tango.
Brent, Victor Echo 1, Echo Tango.
Yep.
And I'm Steve, Victor Echo 1, Sierra Kilowatt.
Remy, Foxtrot for Juliet, Sierra Uniform.
It's me. It's me, Morton, LB0 Fox India, Lima Bravo 0 Fox India.
Steve, Mike 1, Sierra Delta Hotel.
Thanks.
Yankee Oscar 3, Golf November United, Andre.
Mihai, Lima Bravo 9, Hotel India.
Cool. And there are some other guys?
Yes.
Vidar, Ivar, Björn?
Yes.
You need to say your names on the live stream.
Say your name and call sign, please.
Ivar, Lima Bravo 8, Victor Oscar.
And Björn, Lima Bravo 9, Echo Hotel.
Cool, thanks for.
And basically, we got rain out here. Thunderstorms are rolling in, so we kind of packed down in a hurry. If you want to see what that was like, you can watch Jürgen's live stream. He been live streaming a little bit from our activation here, and we'll see what happens later on. Du blir ikke sponsoret TV-stenger for å være ærlig om en radio.
Jeg elsker Retives i mitt hjerte.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers, mate.
Cheers.
Cheers.